The newly redesigned SAT has the opportunity to provide access to all of America's students. At Project Lead, the way we think a lot about problem solving, and I think this is something that really should be at the forefront of all of our minds. In order to be a problem solver, you have to think critically. You have to understand what powerful collaboration looks like, effective communication. Take critical thinking on the other side, the idea of deconstructing something, breaking it down, understanding its component parts. These are all things that are critically important and can certainly be assessed in the redesigned SAT and can really encourage that kind of behavior. The newly redesigned SAT is right on to focus on graphical data. It is a language of communication, and if you look at the kind of technical information that folks in engineering, biomedical science, computer science are looking at, are writing themselves, it's simply another way of communicating. To put something in a data table, to put something in a visual graphic form can make a point quickly. And if you try to actually explain that in words, you find yourself going on and on. What we're really bringing students into is to begin to think of math as a tool to solve problems. So our students at Gulliver Prep decided to take on the problem of clean water and how could they create a water filtration system. When you see these emails coming back of two gentlemen in Ghana who have a picture of the water filtration device designed by these students that they built and are using to provide clean water for that community, they see their role in the society and their capability in an entirely new way. These are things that kids can really get excited about, particularly when you give them real problems to solve. Problems that adults and professionals are working on every single day. Problems that matter to society. It's critical that the redesigned SAT focuses on the process and not actually the topic itself. This is a real opportunity for us, and this is the kind of thinking that students will see the transformative power of the learning that they do in their school day.